Hello guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we gonna see how to install WordPress locally on your PC. So normally we buy domain and hosting and then launch a live website using WordPress. So here, if you want to just install WordPress locally on your PC computer, and it's like just testing your website, you can only have access to it. You are the one who can see it. You are the one who can make changes to it. So this helps you to learn creating websites at no cost. It is free of cost. So after doing locally, you can move to live website. After all, you set the things properly, you learn new things. After testing all, you can change it into a live website too. So let's go on, let's get into the video, and in this video I will show you how to locally install WordPress in your PC computer. It is going to be totally free, and we are going to do this in 2 simple steps. So our first step is downloading a software called Bitnami WordPress. So Bitnami WordPress, you just type Bitnami WordPress in the Google search in the browser. So then you click on the first link. Then you will be navigated to this web page. So here you can select this Windows, Mac and Linux. So for all the 3 operating systems you are getting this one button. So click on it. After that you will find this downloading options for you. So this is for Windows and it is for Mac, and this is for Linux. So I'll go with the Windows. Right, so it is getting installed, the software. It is getting downloaded, and the second step will be installing this Bitnami WordPress. So it might take a couple of minutes to get downloaded. So here we are done with the downloading process. So now it's the second step. We are going to install this Bitnami WordPress to our PC. So open it. So here you can see it is the installer. So click on the next and keep on clicking next until you reach this page. So here you can see you can use your name, your email address and your login, and your password. You can keep any of the password. So be sure that you are using the password which you use over here is rememberable, because in order to open your local website you need to have this password in order to open it. So click on next. So click on the next, and it is preparing to install. So you're almost done. After this you are here. So it is preparing to install. So when we are done with the installation, click on finish, and then we will be redirected to a page which is only on our local PC. So here we got landed over to this page. So I got over here. So after the installation process you will be redirected to this page. So here you just click on this access WordPress. So then you will be seeing this all. It is a very pretty basic thing. So I can tell you more easy way. So just click on localhost, sorry, yeah, localhost and slash WordPress. So then you will be redirected to so then here we'll just add on this localhost. So now we are done. So then we get the same thing. So localhost slash WordPress slash will get onto your this personal blog that no one has access to, and in order to log in to your WordPress account, after the slash just give this login and you will be redirected to this page. So here you can enter your username or email address and your password which you have mentioned at the time of installation process. So after entering all this, and you will be redirected to this WordPress. So I will enter this over here. So this is how I'm just using this example mail just to show you. So keep your mail address which you have entered during the process of installation and your password, and you can just log into your WordPress account and you can use it. You can make any changes to it. I can show you this account this page again. So here you can edit things, you can create links for your website. It's like just like testing this website, exploring all the options, making your own website with free of cost, and it's really a fun to do. And that's all for this video, guys. And after the one more point, after this all the testing a website and adding other features and everything, if you think you are ready to make this website live, you can also make it live. So one more thing, guys, and as I said, you can make it live. So how to make it live, you may get this question, and I have a very good service provider which you will definitely appreciate it. So it is hostinger.com. It is my personal recommendation to all of you who are willing to make your website live. And Hostinger, it is web hosting service, and it gives you free domain. And as you can see over here, it is an ultimate sale. It was up to 70% off for web hosting and free domain, and you will be getting free SSL certificate, and Cloudflare is included. So it is a best domain service provider and hosting service provider for your website. So here you have plans, and it is most affordable service that you can get. So here I can show you this web hosting plans on Hostinger. So for the single web hosting, this is for beginners who are just kickstarting your website. So you'll get one website and you will get 10 GB SSD storage, and you can use it with one get it up for one email account, and you get this free SSL certificate worth 855 rupees. So in this plan you don't get a free domain and all the benefits over here for this. And it is the next plan is the most recommended plan for you guys. So it is most popular and premium web hosting service. So it is a perfect package for personal websites. So this is what you're looking for. I would suggest this, and you save 70% here, and it's very pretty good amount, guys. It's very affordable and reasonable amount for you. So here you can host up to 100 websites, and you get free email, and it's all the benefits that you need are over here. So this is for if you are a web developer and and if you're hosting a business or anything, so this is for you. So here you get all the benefits mentioned over here. So for you guys who are just turning your local website to this live website, this premium web hosting will be most suggestible on hostinger.com. So, and a sale is going on at presently, so you can go over this and you can see all the features. Let's see all the features, and it's a big list. So you can choose this add to cart for taking this premium web hosting. So here you get this free domain thing, and here in this hostinger.com you get dedicated 24/7 live support, and it is you can try this for 30 days without any risk, and it's the best thing about it, and your payments are secured. So here you go with 48 you go with 48 months, that is your 4 years. So then your subtotal is 5,712 only. It is really a good thing, and you are saving here 13,440 rupees. So here by choosing this plan you are saving this, and it is also fully refundable in 30 days if you are not satisfied with this. And you get this lifetime SSL certificate which is completely free, and you get this Cloudflare protection. And if you want, you can secure your websites with daily backups, and it is only 55 rupees per month. You can click on it if you are interested. And then so now comes the part you are eligible for the free domain. So you can choose any domain over here. I would suggest you this extension to be .com. It is much better, and you can search any domain. So I'll just go with some random thing. So then you're just searching for the availability, and if your domain name is available, and you will get access to it without any extra amount. So yes, and you got this. For how many years you can select over here. I'm just taking 1 year for now, and it's completely free. So this is the best part about Hostinger. It has best offers and deals, and you can just click on checkout. You sign up over here and you check your details over here, and you can create account and check out. So after that you can log into your Hostinger account, and then you can build up your own websites, and it has multiple benefits. So I suggest you guys personally, if you want to give if you are looking to keep your website live, and Hostinger is a better option for you guys. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching the video guys. Hope you like it.